Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this is part 3 of my event designing and planning in Florida. So as you guys saw in part 2, we did this floral arch for the wedding. Now we're focusing on the arch for the wedding ceremony. Now I had pre-done this at home, but with the traveling, a lot of it got shifted. So here I am just reconstructing it. And I'm so glad I brought extra flowers with me because the design totally changed. But guys, I am super grateful and excited for having the opportunity to design this beautiful wedding slash vow renewal. So I decided to cover the existing tabletop of our serpentine table. I decided to go with a black top. I think it matched the design a lot more because the design of the room, the colors that we chose was black and the accent of gold. So this tabletop was perfect for it. See, it's forgiving up to a certain point.
I would say it is very forgiving.
But you see, when you leave it to seal, you get to chisel it off. There was so much going on in this room. We had the draping taking place for the ceremony area. And then we're assembling the centerpieces because it was crunch time now. Tablecloth didn't arrive yet, so I'm just waiting for that. But yeah, all in all, everything was turning out just the way I wanted it to, and I'm so happy. Now this is how the table looks with the black tabletop, and here I am just shining it up because we don't want any fingerprints. And this is the tablecloth arrived, we added it on, and this is the look so far, guys. The chandelier that we added look amazing. Dance floor, I'm super excited. Taking pictures, and that's me just assisting with the bride's dress. So important to make sure that the veil is exactly how the photographer wants it because it has to look perfect in photos. So this is what we're just doing here, just making sure that every pose was perfect and, her bouquet was on point for the photos. That's what we do. We always assist one another as vendors to make sure that the day turns out perfect for our clients. I'm so glad I went with the dynamic lighting in the room because it was such a vibe. It felt like you were in a movie, and all the guests love just how everything looked. Yeah, I love the lighting. I can't believe this was an actual warehouse. We did an amazing job. The chandeliers turned out perfect. And we also got the photo booth, the photo magazine booth. The vendor here, she was also amazing. And we also had dancers at the event. It's always nice to have entertainment. The night was just magical. I would not take out or add anything else for this night. Everything was just perfect and magical. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell so you know next time I post a video. Stay blessed. Thank you.